Hey all, I'm Maggie Shoddy, and this is my introduction to MIT 822. I'm currently in my fifth year teaching, but this is my third year teaching kindergarten at Marysville Elementary School. So I'm back in my hometown teaching, actually teaching in the same building that I went to elementary school in, and it's pretty neat because I get to teach with some of the teachers that I had growing up and also my mom. So it's actually really neat, and I really do enjoy it. Along with teaching, I am an assistant softball coach for our high school girls softball team, and then I also stay busy on the farm when I'm not doing those two things or schoolwork. So I'm getting my master's in instructional technology, and I plan on completing this degree this summer. So the end is in sight, and it's a good feeling. As for hypertext and hypermedia, I really didn't know much about them at all. I guess hyperlinks always came to mind, and that's just kind of what I knew about. So, after a little bit of research, I've come to the understanding that hypertext and hypermedia are all about connecting another resource to the document using text or media. So, a chunk of text is used to take a reader to another resource or document, or even another section inside that same document. Um, Via a link when you're using hypertext. And then hypermedia does the same thing. It allows the reader to go directly to another article, another document, another part of the document, but hypermedia enables the use of media. So any type of graphics, videos, even audio files can be used for hypermedia. So I don't do a whole lot of this in my instruction for my students. Maybe I should be in kindergarten, but I guess we're face to face. And while we do use some iPads, we just started one-to-one iPads at break, so right after Christmas break. So we haven't gotten a whole lot or very in depth with them yet. So, but I'm very interested in learning the different ways that I can make it work in my classroom. So bring on all the learning. I look forward to working with all of you throughout the semester. Thanks.